Hi, the next extension that I'm going to talk about is called Move It. How many times do we get stuck behind a computer, or the students get stuck behind the computer reading articles and doing research? Well, this app will help them remember and give them a reminder on to get up and move. So, again, it's found in the Chrome Web Store. You can look up Move It, and you'll see right here, I've already downloaded it, and it gave me an icon again, and it'll look like this when you click on it. It is brought to you by the PE Geek. And I like that it gives you such a big time difference. So I can set it to remind whichever the student is every 5 minutes, 10, 15, all the way up to 55 minutes. So depending on the child, you can kind of gauge how often they would need a break. So once they're working, let's say they're in here and they're reading and they're doing research on the computer, and I believe it would work even if they were like in PowerPoint. But what would pop up on the screen is I did some screenshots, but this is what the screen would stop everything that they were doing, and it would pop up, and they would have to read what it said, pretend to complete 5 jump shots. So they would get up out of their seat quietly, right in their area, do that exercise, and then get back to work. When they're done, they click done, and it takes them right back to where they were. Some other examples were shoulder raises, and you can see that it gives them the directions and it does not do it long. So your students who might need a little longer, might take a little longer than 30 seconds, but it doesn't have a timer, so it's kind of up to them on how long they need to do it. And simple things repeated: touch the bottom of your right foot, do the opposite, repeat 10 times, punch or jab the air. Another one that I don't have a screenshot of that I liked was place a pencil behind your chair and jump over it 10 times back and forth. Jump on one leg. There's a bunch of different ones that I've seen pop up and remind me to move. So I think this would be a great tool to have for students who need that little bit of extra reminder of, hey, you need a break. And giving them that break would get their brains focused back on what they were doing. So I like that one. You should check it out.